Hi, and welcome to the Piecesanspermis workshop. I'm Julien, and today we're going to see how to change a master cylinder and a brake light switch. To do this, you will need a new master cylinder, a brake light switch, a ratchet, a 22-point socket, a 10mm open-ended spanner, and a new bottle of brake fluid to bleed your brakes. Start by removing the brake fluid reservoir to better access the master cylinder. Now unplug the brake light switch. Be careful, as some brake fluid may leak. You can now unplug the brake lines. The hardest part here is unscrewing the two mounting nuts on either side of the master cylinder, on the engine side and on the pedal side. Now connect the new brake light switch. Once you've installed the new master cylinder, don't forget to reconnect the brake lines to replace the brake fluid reservoir and to connect the brake light switch. See you soon for more tutorials in the Piecesanspermis workshop.